Back with another one. All right, my client wanted some highlights, like icy white highlights, and a burst fade. Let's get into it. So we're gonna make our burst fade with our trimmers. Clean that area up, get it smooth. Come behind that with our shavers, get it down to the skin. And all we're gonna start it off with a 3 guard. And we're gonna go all the way to the ridge of his head. I'm flicking out, but I'm trying not to. I'm trying to create like a hard ridge. And now I got a 1.5. I'm coming under that 3. Definitely flicking this time because I don't want to, get a line. All right, so we got a 1 guard all the way open. This is a new fade method I just started working on today. It turned out pretty good, I think. You'll see in the results. So like I said, we got this 1 guard on all the way open, going behind that 1.5. And now we're gonna close that. And we're gonna continue to clean up that line that we made with our no guard 0.5. I'm really trying to make sure this fade is nice and clean. All right, now we're gonna go to our half guard, all the way open. And we're gonna continue to fade down into that middle line that we created. And if you're enjoying the content, make sure you like and share. Also subscribe. All right, now we're gonna close that lever and continue to clean up that bottom line. I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm really enjoying these instincts. Okay, so we got our trimmer. We're gonna clean up that ball line that we put it in with. I'm just flicking at it, making sure I really focus on those real dark stubbles with this dark hair, getting it real clean. All right, man, let's transition. Let's get to the highlights. So I mixed up some Big 9 and some 30 volume, a volume 30 developer. And we tried to process this as best we could. It turned out pretty nice, I think. I'll say now we're laying down our bleach and developer. I let this process for about an hour. And I fast forwarded. I didn't get all that footage, but this is what I got for you. Here's my shear work, just working on that front line up, trying to get some texture on it so it's not so hard. And here's the end result, man. Burst fade, icy white highlights. If you like this content, let me know in the comment section. The fade was beautiful. The highlights were beautiful. Thanks for watching.